Hi, we will continue modular 4 aerial photogrammetry, and first we have to discuss difference between aerial photo and topograph map. So some point of comparison we have to differentiate aerial photo and topo map. You have to go through it, and I will explain the concept of scale of vertical photograph over a flat and variable terrain. Okay, in these cases, having a two cases. First one is when the ground is horizontal or a flat. See here, compared to figure 1a, in these cases, K naught A dash is the ground or else datum, and Ka is ground and it is horizontal, and K naught and A naught is datum. Okay, from this point we have to derive the equation. When the ground is horizontal or a flat, we have to derive the derivation of scale of vertical photograph over a flat or variable terrain. Okay, so see here, in these cases consider figure. So in this figure, K naught A naught is the datum and K A is the capital K A is the ground. See here, this is datum, okay, and this one is capital K and A is ground, and this one is small k A naught is photograph. Okay, and O is the camera. From O point camera will capture. So by using of camera we will derive the equation, that is horizontal ground. See, consider here, see this small k and O is small f, and small and capital K, small k and capital K distance, and from O point it is distance is capital overall height minus of small height, and capital K and K naught is the distance is small h. From this point to this point it is overall height. Okay, and see, we will discuss derivations. Okay, photograph is the perspective projection. The images of ground points see your ground points are displaced because there will be a variation in the ground elevation. So figure shows images of a 2 points, that is A and A naught, vertically above each other. So these A and A naught points are A and A naught points are vertically each other, are displaced on a vertical photograph. So and are represented by the points of A and A naught. Okay, see this A, capital A and capital A naught is represented by the small a and small a naught of photographs. Okay, and S equal to scale formula is map distance divided by ground distance. Okay, see here map distance is small k into small a. Okay, this is map distance, and capital K and capital K is A is ground distance. So map distance divided by ground distance is nothing but the scale. Okay, so KA is nothing but the O, nothing but the, by sign rule, O and small k. Okay, and divided by ground distance O into capital K. So see here OK, capital O small k, that is nothing but the F. So F and O into capital K is H minus of H. So scale is becomes F of H minus H. In these cases, H is the height of the exposure station. See here, height of the exposure station above the mean sea level. F is the focal length of the camera, and H is the small h is the height of the ground above mean sea level. And second case, in these cases when the ground points are variable. See here ground points are variable, and this is datum, this is ground points. Okay, by using of this we have to derive the scale. Okay, so diagram is like this. Okay, see here, let A and B 2 points having a elevations. Okay, and small HA, small HA and small HB. See here, A and B are 2 elevation points, and HA, HB are above mean sea level points. They are represented by the points A and B. Okay, by using of this point we will get the this one, no? Okay, then K is the see here, K is the principal point of the vertical photograph taken at a height h. Okay, it is above mean sea level, and equation by using of these all datas, equation becomes the scale of photograph at the elevation HA. So here at the elevation of HA, formula is A into K, A into K divided by this into this. Okay, it will become a O divided O, this divided by O into K, and O points divided by KA. So, and formula became C here, A into Q divided by A into KA. equal to sine rule. Okay, by using of figure we will get these points, and okay is see here, okay is F, and okay is what is h minus of HA. Okay, so this is the scale photograph at the elevation of HA. Similarly, scale photograph of the elevation HB. So similar, we took value of the elevation of HA. Again we have to find another HB. Okay, so in these cases what will happen? See here, B into K divided by capital B into KB equal to OK divided by OKB equal to F divided by H minus of HB. Okay, so scale photograph taking at the elevation of B, no? So that is nothing but the HB. Hence, scale factor of the elevation HB is S equal to F divided by H minus of HB. And scale factor of scale of photograph for by the point of H. See here, H point, it is nothing but the SH equal to SH equal to F divided by H minus of H. So scale at the elevation small h. Scale of the photograph can also designated by the representation of fraction. So fraction is nothing but the RH. So fraction is nothing but the 1 by SH. So 1 by SH is nothing but the, see here. So fraction is 1 by SH. So RH becomes 1 by SH. So formula is like this. Okay, now we have to discuss datum scale. So what is datum scale? See here, this is datum scale. Okay, at the datum scale what will be the formula? Datum scale is SD, and SD is nothing but the KA divided by, see here, KA divided by KA. Okay, see here, this divided by this, no? So see here, so datum is nothing but the KA divided by KA into KA. So SD is datum scale is nothing but the that scale which would be effective over the entire photograph if all the ground points were projected vertically downward on the mean sea level. So in first figure 1, it is a vertically projected. So in these cases vertically downward on the mean sea level before being photographed. So from figure 1 we will decide what is SD. So datum scale is nothing but the SD is nothing but the F by H. Okay, after that scale average. Scale average is F by capital H minus of H average. So scale average is nothing but the, it is that which would be effective over the entire photograph if all the ground point will be projected vertically downward or upward on a plane representing the average elevation of the terrain before being photographed. Next one is to find scale of a photograph. So by using normally in the first cases it is the imagine ground points to be some types are having to finding the scale of photograph. First type is if the images to ground points of a equal elevation and down horizontal distance appear on the photograph, the scale of the photograph can be determined by comparing the ground length and the corresponding photograph length. So scale is nothing but the photo distance divided by the ground distance. So photo distance is small l, ground distance is capital L. So photo scale divided by the first method is S equal to L by small l by capital L. Second type is how to find a scale. So second type is photo scale can be determined by comparing the photo distance and the map distance. So photo distance and map distance, by using of this we will determine the photo scale. So photo scale divided by map scale is equal to photo distance by map distance. And third type is if the focal length and the flying height above mean sea level is known as scale equal to f divided by capital H minus of H. Okay, previously what we derived, no, by using of type 3 we derived that equation. Okay, and alternately the value of H can be determined by approximation. So step 1 is H is determined by scale relationship. What is scale relationship? That is F equal to H it is approximation, no? So H equal to approximation minus HAB. So AB is compare diagram and you people will check it. So AB divided by capital AB. So scale factor, no? So capital L, small l divided by capital L. And step 2 it is by approximation, and the approximation value of H so obtained is used for calculating by using of coordinates XA, YA, XB and YB. If it is imagine they having some coordinates point, that is XA, YA and XB, YB. So by using of these coordinates we will scale the and we will find the scale. So total height minus of HAB divided by approximate height minus of HAB equal to correction AB divided by computed AB. With this value of H, step 2 is repeated till computed length of the AB is corrected length agree within the precision. Okay, next one is computation of length of line between points of difference elevation on a vertical photograph. So students, in this case is having a one figure, but I didn't mention here because that figure is having a large, and also if you go through that figure you people will be get confused. That purpose in any textbook please don't refer that this figure. Okay, corresponding computation of length please don't refer, you people will get confused. So by using of these all datas only you people have to remember this derivation. So imagine there are 2 points, there are 2 ground points, comparing that previous figure is there, no, that one. So let A and B are the 2 ground points having a H and HB about datum and the ground coordinates. So ground coordinates are XA, YA, XB, YB. Let A and B be the corresponding points of the photograph, and the corresponding coordinates are if having some points and their coordinates is XA, YA, XB, YB. So coordinate system, by using of coordinate system we have to find length of the line between the points, different elevation on photographs. So X equal to capital H minus of H divided by F into X. Okay, same formula but only changes in Y. And we have to find length, so between 2 points. So between 2 points is nothing but the capital L equal to root of XA minus XB whole square plus YA minus YB whole square. Please, if people have to in this derivation, so what is that derivation? Computation of length of line between 2 points. In these cases please you have to concept this point, so only you have to remember this point, which one? L formula and X and Y formula. After that you people have to derive the equation. and next one is scale of a tilted photograph. Okay, in these cases also having a one figure, but that figure is very clumsy and also having a lot of confusion. If I drawn means if people will get a lot of confusion, so please don't refer figure. Okay, only you have to remember these points. Okay, in tilted photograph, what is formula? The scale of tilted photograph equal to f sec of t minus y dash into sin t divided by h minus of ha. So in these cases t is less than of 3 degree, so sec t is approximately equal to 1. If I put t equal to 3 degrees, this will becomes a sec 3 degree becomes 1. So formula, consider formula f of sec t is nothing but the sec t is 1, so f minus of y dash of sin t divided by h minus of ha. So y dash is the along a principal line between the photonadir and foot of the perpendicular from the point under consideration. So we got the already we know length formula. So length formula is like this. So by using of length formula we will get the calculate flying height of a tilted photograph, uses same equation of vertical photograph. So by using of ST we will get the tilted scale photograph, and by using of tilted photograph we will get the value of L. So I will end this session. Tomorrow next session I will explain, or else I will dictate some problems regarding tilted and vertical photograph. It's a purely based on that next session is purely based on tilted and vertical photograph scale factor. So please must and should practice the derivations, and fourth modular aerial photography having a lots of derivations. Please be thorough with this modulo, and also it is the easiest modulo. Thank you.